This week we're going to focus on Etsy and help you if you have a craft business or you're selling anything vintage. You can sign up on an Etsy account. I love Etsy for starting companies because Etsy can bring you the traffic so you don't have to be concerned about that right away. When you're starting a business, sometimes that's the last thing that you want to be concerned with. You should be concerned about researching your product and coming up with your branding and your product name and making sure your product is amazing. And so one of the best things you can do for yourself is to sign up on Etsy if you have a crafting business or you sell vintage items. I'm going to actually start an Etsy shop for my business, Rich Mom Business. As I go through and make mine, you will see how to do it for yours as well. I've made many Etsy shops for myself and my clients. So let's go through and show you how it's done. You will notice up here in the left hand corner something that says register. Let's go ahead and click on that. And you will see here we have the option of signing up on Facebook or filling out our information here. If you plan on having several Etsy accounts, I suggest you just sign up with your email here, and then for every different email you can have different Etsy shop. I'm going to go ahead and fill out my information here. After you fill everything out, your username, it may seem small, but this can actually be the most traffic generating aspect of your account. You want to choose a username, which will then be your shop name, that you want to come up in search engines. Etsy already has great search engine optimization. Google loves it. So if your username has some keywords in it, like mine is mom business, then it's going to come up higher on search engines. You have a better chance of that. That's just a Google loving tip there for you. So go ahead and click register. Next you'll check your email to confirm your account. You'll see here a button to confirm your account. You just click that and you're in as a registered user. And after you do that, you're going to want to go in and ask to be a seller. When you're ready to sell, after you've registered, you have to register as a buyer before you can register as a seller. You go back in and you can see I'm logged in over here, and you can just click sell over here, and it will actually walk you through the first step, asking you what you want for your shop name. So I set up my shop name, and you can see that here, and then it says now it's time to list an item. And you can list items up front if you want to. I highly suggest that you brand your Etsy before you make it live to the world. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how to create an Etsy banner. You can create one yourself. I'll show you some places you can go if you don't have Photoshop, and then I'll tell you how you can get an amazing deal if you want to have someone professionally design it.